In today's video, I'm about to show you how to get NordVPN on Xbox device. So super easy to get started with that. What you need to do is simply scroll down to a point on their landing page where you can see these set of options. We have smartphones, browsers and gadgets and other router setups. So if you click on these gadgets option, you can see we have for Chromebook and various other options, but we cannot find the option of Xbox, right? How do you get it? So just simply click on any of these options, like for example download it for your Chromebook, and below you will be able to see a lot of different options showing up. Like for example, we have Windows, we have Mac, Android, and different kind of stuff. So what you need to do is simply click on this other option, and let me click on it, and you can see we have this Xbox option showing up right in front of us. And before you download it, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself 70% off onto your subscription packages using that link in the description. And you can see VPN for Xbox Series X, Xbox One, and even Xbox 360 is available. So that's how easy it is to get it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. With that being said, see you in the next video.